In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Ctrader depth of market. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open it. Choose the view that suits your style, read the data with confidence, and arrange it on your screen for efficient trading. First, launch Ctrader. Open the platform and give it a moment to load your workspace and market data. If you're on the desktop app, make sure your connection status shows as active, so the order book updates in real time. Next, select a symbol from the watch list. Click the instrument you plan to trade so its chart becomes active. If you don't see your symbol, use the search bar and add it to the watch list. Then click it to bring up the chart. This ensures the depth of market you open will correspond to the right instrument. Now, click the DOM icon on the chart toolbar. It looks like a small price ladder. If your toolbar is hidden, hover over the chart or enable the chart's toolbar in the layout settings. When you click the DOM icon, a depth of market panel will appear attached to the chart or in a new pane, depending on your layout. Choose the DOM type that fits your needs. You may see options for a standard aggregated order book, a price ladder view optimized for quick order entry, or other variations depending on your version of Ctrader. You can switch between them from the DOM's header or settings, so the presentation matches how you like to trade, whether that's scalping on a ladder or monitoring broader liquidity. Let's read the DOM. Prices are listed vertically with buy liquidity, bids, typically on the left, and sell liquidity, asks, on the right. The best bid and best ask highlight the top of book and define the spread between them. Each row shows available volume at that price level. Larger numbers suggest deeper liquidity. Watch how these quantities change as orders appear, get modified, or are filled. Keep in mind this reflects current available liquidity from providers and can change rapidly, especially around news. It's a snapshot of intent, not a guarantee of execution, so slippage is still possible in fast markets. For fuller context, align what you see on the DOM with your chart's trend and recent volatility. Finally, resize and dock the DOM so it works with your layout. Drag the panel's edges to adjust height and width, and dock it to the side of your chart or float it as a separate window. You can snap it into a multi-panel workspace or move it to a second monitor for uninterrupted visibility. Once it feels comfortable, keep that arrangement for consistent, efficient execution. That's it. Your Ctrader depth of market is ready to use.